Hi, Neil from Whizzle here. Just like to show you a couple of new products available from Whizzle and the SaverFoil system. We've been selling SaverFoils for quite a few months now and take the feedback our customers give us very seriously. One being that the quality of the gun that we launched the system with wasn't really up to it. So we've got a new, improved, better engineered, easier to use gun. Again, the end screws off. The plunger comes down, in and out, much easier system than before. Something else that we were told by a lot of customers is it's messy. Usually that was because somebody might be trying to cut the end of the foil off with a knife or some old scissors or some side cutters, and once you start in a mess, it's going to be a mess. So what we recommend is using a traditional cigar cutter. So simply pinch the foil at the end, then using the cigar cutter you can clip right under the foil, and you can see there what a controlled cut that is. So when it sits in the gun, in we go, put our nozzle in. The good thing about using the cigar cutter as well, that the foil seats right inside the nozzle, not around here, which leads to mess. So there we go, so that's in, and out comes the silicone. As easy as that. So that's the new XLT gun from Whizzle and a stainless steel cigar cutter. Thank you.